Hi ladies, these videos are going to help you with fractions. So first, we're just going to explore what it means to be a fraction. So fractions are part of a whole. So for example, I have these circles. I have two whole circles and then a fraction of another circle. So I can express it both as a mixed number, which means two wholes and a little bit of another part, or as one fraction, where I look at it as just a bunch of parts. So first I want to know, well, how many ways am I dividing it? So I have a circle, and I can count all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's just double check. I started here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's divided into 11ths. So it's 11 parts. So the first one is 11 out of 11 because all of them are filled in. The next one is also 11 out of 11. And the third one is only 2 parts out of 11. Okay, when we add fractions, the bottom, the parts that it's out of, stays the same. So how many 11ths do we have? Well, 11 plus 11 is 22, plus 2 is 24. That's how I'd write it as one fraction, 24 over 11. But I could also write it as a mixed number, which means I have some whole and then some parts. How many wholes do I have? Well, I have 2 filled in. How many parts do I have? 2 out of 11. So that's 2 ways of writing it. Either 24 over 11 or 2 and 2/11ths, like that. Okay, now it's your turn to try it on your own.